In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a black and white effect in Pixlr online completely for free. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Once Pixlr Online has been loaded and your image is on, click the top left hand screen and then scroll down until you see Effect or the fifth icon. And then now scroll down, click the first option, black and white. In this case, you have a list of different effects or options to choose from. That doesn't look too bad. Agnes, Porter, Orlay, Tom. You can even adjust the strength of the effect of the picture by dragging this to the left or dragging it to the right. And as you can see, I'm dragging it to the left, we can get less of the black and white effect. And I'm dragging it to the right, we get more of the effect, as you can see. And same thing with this, you kind of get the point. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.